What's up guys, welcome to a new video. Today I'm gonna go over Bitcoin and Ethereum and I will show you my high time frame trading ideas. I will give you the full setup, so let's hop into the charts guys, let's go. Okay guys, here we are on the Bitcoin 4-hour chart. My higher time frame trades are always on the hour 4. It's the most reliable time frame to me and I tend to not try to go any lower than that on my higher time frame trades and on my A+ trades. So let's just quickly go over market structure. I will start from here. Here we have two candles to the upside. Here we have one leg to the downside, but only right here you can see, for me this is one big leg to the downside. Why? Because my two candle rule, we don't have two consecutive down candles here, and also on the two up candles, the second one is basically inside of the first one. So this is not a valid leg to me. Many people would count it like that, but this is not right to my rules. According to my rules, this is one leg to the downside. And now, as you can see, we are in this leg since we put in this low, and we now go from there. Everything in between here is just noise guys. I don't care about it. So what am I looking out for the higher time frame? I always trade with the trend guys, so I need the trend to be in alignment with my trade. And if I want to go long, price should be bullish. And as we can clearly see, price is bearish here. So the first very simple scenario is that we would reclaim this high right here with two candle closes, and then I would look for nice pullbacks, and I would then basically long pullbacks after a lower time frame trend shift, and I would target these highs right here. The second to highest high, this is the highest high. The greedy people, they take this one as a take profit, but we take the second to highest high in case we get front run, which often is the case. So that's why we always take the second to highest high. And what exactly I want to see here, we want to see two candle closes above here, 2 hour 4 candles, and then I wait for a retracement because R is not worth it to enter here. So I want price to retrace a little bit, and once price does this retracement right here guys, I would switch to the hour 1 or to the M30, and if we get a local break of structure right here, for example we get this, as you can see we are then breaking structure right here, then I would enter with a market entry. Price is in a good RR from right here. It depends where this break happens guys. It could happen here, it could happen here, but as long as we get around 2 RR, I would just market enter after a local shift in structure on the lower time frame with the stops below. You can also set another limit entry in case we go lower before the invalidation gets hit. If it happens, you get a nice RR out of it. And this is basically my trading idea for Bitcoin. The first one. Now always there is a second scenario as well, which I would like even more, since we are in this sandwich of this big leg to the downside. I would like price to sweep the lows one more time. If price sweeps this low, let's say it sweeps it again, then we shift structure right here. This would be my ideal scenario guys. Then I would just market enter after the structure break, stops at the last sweep, and then I would target the same high, which gives us a very high RR trade. And this would be my ideal scenario, but who knows what price will do. We always have scenarios. We react to the market. We don't look into the future what will happen. We just react to what the chart gives us guys. So those are my two trading scenarios for Bitcoin. And quickly, Ethereum, it's basically exactly the same guys. We have this leg to the downside, as you can see right here. This is again one leg to the downside because here again the second bullish candle is inside of the first one, so this is not a valid leg. It's one big leg to the downside, and same game as Bitcoin. Wait for a sweep below here, shift in structure, and I would take longs targeting these highs right here, the second to highest high or just this obvious one. And first scenario, of course, the local low sweep again, then a nice shift in structure, and then we enter. Or same as Bitcoin, if we shift structure from right here, then I would long pullbacks after a lower time frame switch in structure. This would also give me nice RRs to the target, like right here, 2.6 RR. If we get the shift right here, then it would also be 5 RR, depending where price action will go, but it will be plenty of RR guys. And that's my scenarios for Bitcoin and Ethereum guys. If you liked it, make sure to look into the description, follow me on X. Next month something very special will drop. Yeah, I can teach you all my teachings and I will get you guys from unprofitable to profitable. So follow me on X and message me if you're interested guys. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, subscribe to the YouTube to get notified when I upload, and like and comment. So guys, I will see you in the next one. Peace out.